Here we have 222 of 20. We have the daily chart of the Russell 2000. That's exactly what we have. And we have, as you can see here, it's a major resistance level going across with a daily qualifier. The daily qualifier is, my friends, is that you have to have a big red bar in greater value than the previous green bar. And that's exactly what has to happen. And that is what has happened. And we slipped below the 10-day simple moving average ever so slightly. The 50-day moving average is going to come into play, but the 20-day moving average is going to come in first, and it is. So we'll go ahead and deal with that 20-day. That's going to be right here. Once again, bull market top right over here on this date on 117. We called this market top reversal in the Russell 2000, and we did, because we were extremely overbought in a bull market run. What are bull markets really famous for, my friends? Shaking the buyers out. That's what real bull markets are. But all we have in these exchange models is all of these algos and these algos and algos and high frequency trading applications and on and on and on, which has changed the environment, but that's okay. Our proprietary options trading market making systems that we use give us always the best price. So once again, as we had a qualifier with the gap negative bar reversal, well, this is a greater reversal during the topping process of the Russell 2000 and whatnot, and that we are ready for a bull market. Shake the buyer out, create new opportunity, learn how to make money in your options trading. Let us take you to that next level, the level that you want to go to. We're a market making firm. Yes, we are. And yes, we do give out the entries and the exits. And yes, we do power you. All you have to do is get in the free 5-day trial. See it, believe it, be part of it. Go through a discovery process that all the other places you went to did not show you what you're going to see here. I guarantee it. All you have to do is be serious about the fact that you want to make money and that you have a trading account and you want to get into the free 5-day trial. Let's do it now. Let's not put it off any longer. You can get paid. Russell 2000, once again, we called the market top reversals over here. We called similar ones over here. It's on our YouTube channel, every one of these. They're all right there, just like we're doing now. And we have the qualifier, the pullback on a lower high resistance level, a consolidation resistance level on the higher end. And basically, we're setting up for a rate of change in directional price movement based on the qualifier. And you can buy the put options on the Russell. We make lots of money in these put options on this Russell, on the RUT, when it goes down, when it goes up, bull run, bear runs, it doesn't matter. Right now, let us take your options trading higher with the Russell 2000 index. Oh yeah, let us train you how to do that. When it went straight down and we called that move, you made all that money. And guess what? It turned and you had to buy the calls on the Russell. Oh yeah, how nice it was. And then we came up to lower highs up here. And now we have that reversal. Sorry, my mouse was messing up. Now we have that reversal. That's a daily one right there. Russell 2000, how to make money on that put side. Let us power you in the option pit, in the live trading room. Let us start today. Let us not put off success. Take action, be accountable, see it, you can believe it, and you can be part of it with enjoyment.